Today, we take you inside the workshop to show how Crocodile leather products are made. Watch till the end for the full process.
Lock the guides. Clear to move.
Roger, engaging conveyor.
Check the pH levels in pen 12.
Stable at 72. Let's move to the next section.
We need to monitor the flow rate in Sector 4.
It's slightly elevated here on the main screen.
Compensating now, levels are normalizing.
Increase the flow rate slightly.
Flow rate adjusted. The skins are clearing nicely now.
The neutralization tunnel ensures all residual chemicals are safely removed from the hides before the drying stage.
The crimson is holding steady. The texture looks good.
Yes, we can finalize this batch.
Check the tolerances on the latest scan pattern here.
Looks within spec, we can proceed.
The current throughput is exceeding targets. Yes, the calibration seems stable across all units.
Rinse. The heart of the operation lies in the sorting zone, where skilled workers direct the flow of premium leather.
Viscosity checks out. Consistency is exactly where we need it.
Noted. I'll update the log.
see the variation right here under the light.
I see it. The reading confirms it's outside the tolerance.
The hydraulic clamps apply controlled tension, measuring the precise breaking point of the reinforced seams. The data is logged in real time.
The tensile strength on the strap is holding steady at 95%.
Good. Let's increase the load by 5 kilograms and monitor the thermal imaging.
We need to verify the alignment on the next pallet.
Confirmed. The scanners are reading green across the board.
Confirming the European route optimization.
Alert status is green.
This pallet is complete. Scanning the last box now.
Got it. Manifest matches the count. Let's move to the next one.
The heart of the distribution center, where advanced automation ensures every package is swiftly routed to its final retail destination.
The fully automated system ensures a continuous and highly organized flow of goods, 24 hours a day.
Is the leather treated to resist scratches?
Yes, madam. It is a durable grain, yet incredibly soft to the touch.
Yeah.
Thank you for shopping with us today. It's lovely. Thank you.
Did you like the video? Comment what you want to see next. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and like the video.